Hey guys, so I've got a quick video on a 2012 Chevy Camaro. It's got the check engine light on, has a fault code p0332, knock sensor 2, circuit low bank 2. It came from a different shop. They already replaced the knock sensors both sides. First they installed aftermarket ones, then they installed the original AC Delco ones, still the same problem. You can clear the code. Turn the ignition off. Don't even need to start it, just turn the ignition back on. Go in pending codes. And the code comes back. After starting and turning it on and off a couple of times, the engine light comes on too, so the fault is still pending. Alright, so this is like, I've seen this problem a couple of times, so just a quick tip before you do anything else. Same thing works on a lot of Camaros, Cadillac CTSs and all the stuff, mainly anything with that 3.6 engine. So usually what we do is first thing we check the signal on the, it's just a 2-pin connector. We check the signal on the knock sensor, which is at the bottom. Right over there, you can see the connector. Obviously, always check the fuses and everything. But what we see on this car all the time, so this is the bank 2. Bank 1 and bank 2. We're gonna open this cover. And you see this oil filter housing right over here. That you see this wire, it's crimped inside the oil filter housing, and that's what shorted out the sensor. So whoever did the oil change, they pinched this wiring over here and it goes straight to the knock sensor from the ECM. So this wiring will need to be repaired, and as long as it didn't short the computer, this should be it, which it very rarely does, but you never know. So if your knock sensor light came on right after an oil change on this model, this is the first thing you want to check. The knock sensor might not even need to be replaced, might just be a wiring issue, but that's what you start with, and then clean the code and see if it comes back on. If it comes back on, then proceed further diagnostics. If not, should be this. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.